What a beautiful morning.
I blacked out the last time I drank.
Getting gas.
I like that's really
Going to the Walmart to get some food. It's gonna be a good time.
What's up, bro? Yeah!
Getting dope.
Getting
Not like
gas.
real dope. We're not getting we're not getting dope. We're might be running into people.
I thought he was stuck.
Food. Alright, now we gotta go find Will again.
Softness.
Feel the softness. We are out here in the Carolina mountains, guys. Super stoked to start some camping.
Oh, heck yeah.
But first off, we're gonna grab some breakfast at the Waffle House. To figure what better way to start off the camp trip than to break Matt's Waffle House cherry. So Matt is officially texting his wife to tell her that he's going to Waffle House after much discretion was advised. And Will is just a natural born Waffle House eater. So.
I'm so proud of
First stop along the way.
H&H Distillery.
Yep, we are in Asheville. We're gonna do some shit.
And we bottle it, we do everything in house. Those two tanks right there are full of rum. There's probably next stop. I mean.
Off. Taking a little pit stop here at Chestnut Cove. There's a little trail over there.
Nut! Thoughts on the Blue Ridge Parkway?
Pretty friggin' sweet. Pretty sweet.
So,
Really good look outside.
yeah, so we're gonna hit up a few more of those. I don't know how much longer we got for Biscuit Highway. I really hope we get to go to that lookout. It's freaking awesome. So waiting on Will again. We lost him, so waiting for him to just show back up.
You gotta just put a tag on him, like return to sender.
Yeah, we need like you know those like key things that beep, like lost my keys. We need to get one of those for Will. Oh, there he is. Here comes the man himself.
I'm
The
aware
myth.
that I'm dressed like
The legend.
the goddamn bear.
Alright, so just finished up at the lookout. And now we're gonna keep on keeping on the Blue Ridge Parkway. And do our thing. Everybody likes waving, it's cool. I'm going that way. We will use the karate that I learned on the mountain. Will's expedition shirt. Five and none. Gonna look for a place to camp. I don't know what they're doing. Home sweet camping home, and we are here. We're setting up the Honorary Camp fender bar here. We got hammocks set up off the back of the Jeep, except for Will. He's sleeping alone. Fought off his own bears. Gonna get a fire started up pretty soon, and probably just gonna hang out and do our thing. Somebody needs to set an alarm. Everybody needs to set an alarm for tomorrow morning so we all get up. Yeah. It's really hard to wake up while camping.
Son of a bitch, that's fucking delicious.